Alright, real quick, I'm just going to show you guys how to replace a sprinkler head the easy way. Things you're going to need is the shovel, a channel locks pliers, a replacement sprinkler head, and an adjustment key for the replacement head. Real quick, you're just going to chop what I call the donut. Around the outside of the head. Pull the circle of sod you just cut out. Dig a little bit around the outside of the head. Sorry about the barking dog. Then you're going to take your pliers and just twist. Unscrew the head and slowly, gently just pull it out. Then you want to, this is the important part, turn left and then right to know where that other stop point is. And just place right on top, screw it. Back in. These Rainbird ones you can adjust like that. And then I'm just going to dry set it. And that will be my 2 stop points. You can also do it when it's running while using the channel locks and the adjustment tool. There you go. I'll just run this zone and show you real quick how to adjust it while it's up. If you actually have to do it the hard way, I'll have a link to the video in this one.